What's going on, you guys? It's your boy LT, and today we back with another video, but this time we got something a little different. Today is August the 2nd, and down here in Georgia, hunting season for bow archery season starts September 20 something or somewhere in September. So on my property, I have for the last 2-3 years had a very bad hog problem down here in Lamar County. So today I'm gonna film me putting up my very first corral trap, seed trap, six trap, whatever you call it. I gotta get rid of these nasty little boogers. If you look on the ground behind me, they have been down here rooting all this stuff. I know you see it looks dirty or whatever. I mean, it looked like just straight dirt. All this was nice, rich grass because this property used to be a cattle ranch. And so very good hunting here, very big deer. But these hogs have just came in here, and I have kind of like been ignoring it to the point where I just been so busy, I haven't had time to just stay on them. You know, I done shot at a few of them and missed a few. So they all over my county now, and especially this property. So today you guys about to see me for the first time build my very first hog trap. So stick with me and let's get it. Okay, so the proper way to do this is to actually grab a string, a stake, and some spray paint or something. But I'm stubborn and I just don't follow rules. So I'm gonna use a stick and a measuring tape. So I have two 16-inch panels, 16 feet panels. So that should give me a circumference of about 5 feet from the center all the way around. So yeah, so this is my first time, so stay tuned and we'll see what's going on. I got the GoPro over here getting a different angle. So the materials that I have is two 16-inch cattle panel, well actually horse panel. They was $104 a piece, and I bought 10 6-foot T-posts. I'm only gonna use, I think, 9, but we'll see. I'm gonna put them 4 feet apart, and yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned. I got a GoPro running over here, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, you guys, as y'all can see, I do have the trap pretty much set. So as of now, I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I'm gonna end up using 9 posts. I might only use only like 7 or so. What I'm gonna do is, because we was gonna set the trap up in a different location, me and the landowner, and I've been telling them that I have a camera down here on this area, and this is where they always come. And you know, we was kind of debating back and forth where we was gonna put the trap at, and I kept telling them down here is the best spot because this is where they come, you know, as you can see. So and then it's a creek that runs, natural spring that runs right here. It runs all the way back for miles and miles and miles and acres, and we got thick woods back here. That's where they come from. And across the field over here in those thick woods, we got about 200-300 acres of just woods back here. So I'm gonna put my trap door over here because they tend to kind of come down from out of the woods from over that way. So I'm gonna put it where the opening is right here. I'm gonna go up here and see if I can get that cattle panel dragged down here. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you something. This wasn't too bad because the ground down here is really soft. But man, I just left the gym this morning, but this is a workout for sure. And yeah, I wasn't gonna put the panels on today, but I think I am. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the panels on today. If not, it'll be a separate video. I'll come out here in the morning and put the panels on. Yeah, so I got the footage on the GoPro of me putting everything together, putting it. The only thing you're gonna need as far as tools wise, man, it'll be good to have your string and your spray paint, or your string and, you know, some type of striper or something. But I did pretty good with just the measuring tape. You know, I put a stick in the middle. Well, I measured it out 10 feet across, put a stick in the middle. Half of that is 5. So I just took the measuring tape and ran it across. I marked out 5, and then I put my first stake down, my first T-post down, and then I went on the other side, opposite of that, put that stake down at 5 feet, and then I end up go ahead and went 4 feet from the first post, and I made a mark, and then I went to the center and marked it out to 5 feet. So it's pretty simple. You can definitely do it without having a string or a rope or something like that, but it makes it a lot quicker and smoother and a lot accurate when you got the rope. And yeah, so let me go down here and figure out how I'm gonna get this panel up here. We have Jesse out here cutting the backfield. I might interrupt him and get him to go ahead and drag one of these panels up here. So I'll cut y'all on in a second. Come on down to Southpaw, have yourself a good time. Friendly faces everywhere. Whew. God dog it. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how in the hell. Oh, I know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like this right here. So, I was about to say, I don't know how I'm gonna get this in here, but we gotta do it like this right here. When you ain't got no help, you gotta help yourself. And when you can't help yourself, you still gotta help yourself. We ain't gonna let nothing get the best of us. Nothing. I am Sparta! Yeah. Okay. That is. And always remember to put the welds on the inside of the cage. Because if you don't, you will be in trouble, Sparky. Did I do it right? Damn it. Yeah, I did do it right. Yeah, I did it right, Sparky. I did it right. I did it right, Sparky. I did it right, Sparky. Sparky. Roxanne, Roxanne. So, I gotta put another post right here. So when them bad boys try to bust out of here, they ain't got nowhere to go. Yes, sir. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this open until I bait it. I am definitely going to leave it open until I bait it, because I don't want them to think that nothing is going on. Ain't nothing going on. We're gonna come down here and we see this little thing. So be it. If we see a little thing down there, ain't nothing going on with the little thing. It's just there. You know what I'm saying? So this is gonna be the part that they push into. You know what I'm saying? So I need to put one right here. Need to put one right here. So let's bend that forward, because I'm gonna put it right here so it'll have some tension on it. And yeah, I'm gonna put that sucker right here. I'm the one with the money, yeah, the money, yeah. We're gonna put that right here. Chill. So Tom kept telling me he don't think it was enough room and space, but about 4 or 5 hogs can fit in here with a bunch of babies. And I'm gonna come down maybe from that side over there like a ninja assassin and walk right up on them. Boop, 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 boop. I'm gonna hit them with the retarded shots. Bow, 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 bow. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna use that canic, or I'm gonna just pull out the 22 long rifle. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all got some badass kids, this is what you need to put up in your house right here. I'm telling you, little bad motherfuckers. You trap them little bad motherfuckers in here, man. It's all good, baby boy. You just gotta trap them little bad motherfuckers. Just like some hogs, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I'm a little tired. And yeah. Hey man, y'all go check out Yawk. Hey man, I appreciate you. I know you don't know me, but I appreciate you. And as always, Yawk, man. You the man, Yawk. Right this second, buying one of those drop down Hawkeye camera and traps that you got. You know, it's not in my budget right now, but it's on the way. Because I honestly believe I can make a ton, like a pillow sack full of money from all the damage that the hogs are doing down here to these people's properties. So yeah, if I was a hog and I was in here, I would be appreciative of the guy that actually made this thing, because I would be like, that guy's a genius. He's an engineer. Does he work for NASA? You know what I'm saying? Because this thing is sick. This thing is sick. I'm proud of myself, man. We actually put this thing together. I'm not one of those people that's like, yeah, I did it by myself. Because I dang sure wish I had some help. You know what I'm saying? My son is at school right now doing football. Well, he got football practice later. Yeah. I gotta think which one of these is gonna be the door. Because when I put that on top of that, okay, I need to make this right before I put another T-post in. Okay, so this is gonna butt up to that as such, like that. So this is gonna be there, and that's that, like that. Like Chingy, I love it when you do that right there. So this gonna butt up like that right there. So I'm trying to think. So now I'm a little confused because my brain is so small, but it's big at the same time. So this need to go in the inside, I'm assuming, because they gotta have a way to come in, and it's gotta be, one of these doors gotta like sling back. One of them need to be sturdy, which since this one is right there, so they need to be able to, so this is gonna be my swinging door right here. Damn, how is this gonna work? See, this is when you need a rocket scientist out here. This is gonna be the swinging, so they're gonna come in that way. So hold on, wait. All right, so I can move this around, push it all around where they come in, push through this way. So this need to be my corral right here, like to gate them in, to bait them in. God damn it, don't snatch on my pants, cuz. So what I need to do is, I need to bring this that way, because that's gonna bring them in. All right, so we're gonna move everything. We're gonna shift everything, cuz we got this. Because I definitely want that door. So this is the part that's gonna close back like that. But if it's bolted, damn, that's tight though. So it needs to come on around some more. It needs to have some hang time on it. So, but this is the thing, though, chicken man. This is the thing right here that we run into. Is that, so I might have to put the door, I might have to, because we definitely, so that could actually be the door. Because I definitely need to have that weak point up against that T-post right there where they button that. But this is kind of how it's gonna be right here. You know, you got your little swanging langing door right here. This door. So I think that this need to come on the inside. If I put this on the inside, then that means they'll be having to come in right there, which is kind of silly Billy. So I need to shift everything. I swear I'm gonna get this right. I could take these out now because I'm not banging on the T-post. So I believe, all right, let me get this right. I got it right, but it ain't right because this part is correct kinda. So I need to shift everything. So this need to technically go over there and everything need to shift. So that's what we'll do. So I'm gonna put you out here and I'm gonna bring you, come here. Don't be shy, come here. Don't be shy, come here, come here, come here. Don't be shy, baby. Come on. Nope, 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 nope. Don't you be shy now. You get away from here. Get out here from starting. Oh man, see you out here starting trouble. Don't need no trouble, maker. Oh shit, it caught me. Oh yeah. So we gonna do shift everything around, and we're gonna put the point on that one. Or I could just put another post out to really make this not so complicated. So oh, it's a little dug up spot right here too. But hopefully once they get in here, I can get down here pretty quick to get them out. Okay, so now this is the part that's crazy. You got to figure this shit out because I can't have that point open like that because they'll bust right out of that. I got to put that up against the T-post. So what I'm trying to do is that side needs to be the entrance of the hogs coming in. So I think what I'm doing is confusing myself by having both gates up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these suckers out of here. Well, I ain't gonna take it out, but I'm gonna figure this out real quick. Okay, so if I want them to come in, this is gonna be the trap door right here. So this door needs to hang out about right there, okay? We got that situated? Yep, we got that situated because they're gonna come in over there. Okay, so I kind of already got it. That's how it's gonna be right there. Okay, so the thing is that we gotta push all this stuff down. Hang that way like that because put that like that. So I might have to put another post right here. I shouldn't have to do that though, man. So let's see something. You're gonna blow your back out, boy. So yeah. So, say for instance, damn, see, this ground isn't leveled right here either. So they'll probably try to squish their little way out of here. So I'm gonna have to get down here pretty quick to dispatch their asses. So technically, see the way this shit looking is that this needs to be the corral that gets them in, because I gotta have it with a door sling back. Y'all, the hog guard, what would you do right now, sir? Somebody call y'all and see what he'll do right now in this situation. I think I'm tired, and I think I just need to take off, because whenever something gets the best of you, kind of need a break, and then you revisit it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, because I need to put this point on that post right there, period. And this thing got like a little hill, but I mean, they ain't gonna be able to get down here that quick. I mean, get out that quick. I do know that. But, okay, I just figured it out just that quick. So we'll put this back there, because we're gonna put this post right here, back on here, right? Well, not out there. We need you on here, buddy. Yeah, stay right there, buddy. God damn it. I'm glad I don't got help, because right now they would be so frustrated with me. Oh shit, if I had help, they would be like, bro, what you doing, bro? Especially my son. He would be like, Daddy, what you doing, man? And I would be like, that, son, I'm doing it the y'all way, baby. I'm doing it the y'all way. So it's still showing that right now how I got it. It's still showing that this is gonna be my door right here that slings open. So because yeah, ain't no overlapping over this, because when I move this, it's gonna be shorter. Man, somebody get y'all on the phone. Somebody get y'all on the phone. Tell them Mr. Pass the Trash need his assistance right now down here in Georgia. Y'all get y'all on the phone right now. Tell them Mr. Pass the Trash is in a situationship with this hog gate. All right, so, but that's kind of stupid. I need for it to be open on this side right here, because right now it's showing that it's gonna be open. Showing that it's gonna be open like over here, because this is the tension side right here that I got, looks like. So it's only one thing that makes sense to me, is that I don't have a complete circle. And it's showing that this one right here is not in the right order, I think. Because if I was to close all this up, let's see something. Let's see something right here, son. Damn, that ain't gonna work either. Damn. Because this thing need to pivot back. Now, if this thing hit me in my face, don't y'all laugh, because that shit can happen. So let's see something real quick. Come on now. Yeah! There we go. Somebody called y'all and they got me right. You hear me? So, I mean, I can use this and put bolt that down, and I could put a post right here and hold this back so when they come in, it'll stop them in their tracks. So I seen one guy, he put like a little hook on the end of this, so when it closes, it latches, so they can't bang out. And then I put another post right here. You know, I definitely have them. So that's it right there, y'all. That's it. That's it. I figured it out. Somebody called y'all and he answered. You hear me? Yes, sir. That's it right there, y'all. That's it. That's it right there.